Most people spend way too much money on smartphones, and if you're thinking about buying a $1,000 phone right now, you might want to pause for a second, because the Google Pixel 10a proves you don't need to spend that much to get a great experience. This phone is built for people who want something fast, reliable, and smart without overpaying, and after using it, I can honestly say it's one of the best value phones you can buy. Right away, the Pixel 10a feels better than what you'd expect from a mid-range phone. The design is clean, modern, and comfortable to hold, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. The display is bright, colorful, and smooth, and once you start scrolling, you immediately notice how fluid everything feels. Watching videos, browsing social media, or just using the phone day to day feels premium, even though this isn't a flagship. Performance is another area where the Pixel 10a really shines. It's powered by Google's Tensor chip, and while it's not trying to win benchmark tests, it focuses on real-world performance. Apps open quickly, switching between apps is smooth, and everything feels responsive. What really makes the experience better is the clean version of Android. There's no bloatware, no unnecessary apps, and no annoying ads. Everything just works the way it's supposed to. One of the biggest reasons people choose a Pixel phone is the camera, and the Pixel 10a does not disappoint. You don't need to be a photography expert to get great photos with this phone. You just point and shoot, and the results are consistently impressive. Photos look sharp, colors look natural, and night shots come out way better than you'd expect at this price. For social media, family photos, or everyday moments, this camera is more than enough for most people. Battery life is another strong point. The Pixel 10a easily lasts a full day with normal use, including streaming, social media, navigation, and messaging. You don't have to constantly worry about finding a charger, and when you do need to top up, charging is fast enough to get you going again quickly. Now, to be fair, this phone isn't trying to be everything. You're not getting the absolute fastest charging or extreme gaming performance, but for everyday users, that really doesn't matter. What you are getting is a phone that's reliable, smooth, and supported by Google with long-term software and security updates, which means it's going to stay useful for years. When you look at the price, that's where the Pixel 10a really stands out. You're getting a great display, excellent camera quality, clean software, strong battery life, and Google's smart features for hundreds of dollars less than most flagship phones. For most people, this is honestly the smarter choice. So if you're looking for a phone that does what you actually need, takes great photos, runs smoothly, and doesn't destroy your budget, the Google Pixel 10a is absolutely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what phone you're using right now, and if you'd switch to the Pixel 10a. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.